We all in today's time, we live in plush, polished houses. Somewhere we are losing touch with the absoluteness of the material that we use in our spaces. This space is made to be felt and experienced as raw as it can get. Whole house is made to have constant dialogue with its surroundings.
Hi, this is Nilesh from 23 Degree Design Shift.
Hi, I am Srikanth from 23 Degrees Design Shift. Today we are talking about Antriya, a home designed by us here in Hyderabad. For detailed chapters and PDF of ebooks, you can log on to buildofy.com and the link is in the description. So initially when Sachin and Nitin, both the brothers, they came to us asking us to design a home for them. They are a joint family of 3 generations staying together.
Most interesting part here was the client brief itself. So they have written down each and every point what a single person in their home needed. So that helped us crafting the whole house for individual person's requirement.
We have 5 acres of site located roughly 30 kilometers away from the main business district. Indoor built-up area is about 10,000 square feet. So the entry into the site happens from the eastern side of the site, and from the entry the main access is quite organic. The whole house is characterized by these few of these features, freestanding walls. The first wall, which is a leading wall, you have nice greenery happening all along the wall and a bridge that you walk through. The leading wall at the entry has a pool on the other sides of it, which also has privacy walls on all 3 sides, but with a beautiful skylight that happens right over the pool. The entire house is lifted up from the ground by about 4 feet to offer good protection from all forms of crawling creatures entering the house. Also, as an additional protection, there's a water body that runs all around the house. The cantilevers work really well for shading and offers good amount of thermal protection to the glazing systems. This whole house has 2 accesses which gives out 4 nodes for us. These nodes are characterized by trees. And then you reach a veranda space which is about 15 feet high. We also have a slab that is pushed down to control the light that comes in. The staircase is designed in a way that it adds that sculptural value and the backdrop to the veranda. And we've used liquid metal finish, which is cotton metal. The veranda space seamlessly blends into the indoors. Once the glasses are open, this doubles up into a larger rectangular living area. The fire pit place is for winter seasons. This stone wall is a wall that divides all the common areas from extremely private zones which are bedrooms. This house has total 5 bedrooms with 4 on the ground floor and 1 on the top floor. 3 bedrooms are more or less of the same size, but the master suite on the southwest corner is larger. You see the clear story window with green seen into all the bedrooms. All the landscape, all the dense vegetation is pushed out around the main house. So you get to see large areas of lawns being formed around the house. With the collaboration of landscape architect, we have transported some of interesting looking boulders, placed them strategically in the gardens, carved them to form seatings, form tables, form stools. We also came across a very interesting fossil wood furniture pieces in Indonesia. Those are being used in the landscape because they're all weather, they're heavy, they last longer.
The moment we are here, we are in our own zone and we are totally relaxed and we are totally cut off from the city, the hosh posh of the city life, and we are in our own zone. It's like more like a holiday destination within a city.
We live 4 generations in one house, and if all of them want to come together at this space, a getaway space from the city noises, yet everybody has their own corner.
So for me, in spite of these many years of practice and so many projects done, this project stands special because of that aspect of the whole design aligned completely to the brief of the client. And all of these aspects about this house are some things that I would say that gets the user very, very close to nature and very, very grounded in his existence.